It's been about 20 years since Apple was tinkering with the concept of augmented reality. But now, with the exploding popularity of virtual and augmented reality combined with how successful the launch of ARKit was, it's not really out of place to expect Apple to take lead with an AR/VR product by 2023, and Apple glasses could be the game changer. Let's get into some details, shall we? By now, it's almost common knowledge how a company like Apple has a dedicated research unit holding hundreds of employees who work specifically on AR and VR. According to Mac Rumors, Apple has been on a hot streak regarding hiring employees specializing in virtual reality while acquiring several AR/VR companies at the same time. Like, come on guys, take a hint already! With the exclusive demonstration of the upcoming AR/VR headset to the board members of Apple, we can assume that the device is in its final stage and could be debut ready in a matter of months. Now, while it's too soon to assume, but just for the sake of it, let's ask what's next? Well, here are our 2 cents on this. You see, when you've seen the development chain of Apple, the pattern in which they research and release their products alongside the familiarity with their ecosystem, it's not really hard to come up with a conclusion that would eerily and obviously indicate how AR/VR headsets will be immediately followed by an augmented reality product which might as well be called, well, eyeglass? Jokes aside, Apple Glass sounds a lot better and will be obviously dodging everything that went wrong with Google Glasses, and if not looking like an NPC from an oversaturated flashy cyberpunk realm is among the top 3 quality of life improvements, it should be. Trying to focus on looking more like your traditional everyday wearable glasses, they are completely ditching the idea that AR/VR products need to be humongous in size and reduce maneuverability. With the focus on making them look as lightweight as possible, you might be getting both lenses that feature gesture-friendly displays. Bloomberg says that these glasses should not be expected anytime soon since they are in their earliest stage of development, so at least a few years away in our opinion. For the display, Apple, according to another report, is planning to implement the cutting-edge OLED microdisplays they got from Sony, which had the purpose of building their own glasses. These glasses feature an ultra-fast response rate, an ultra-high level of contrast alongside a wide color gamut, and heightened luminance while keeping reflectance as low as possible. All while coming with integrated drivers, opting for an overall compact and minimal design. Now, allegedly the glasses, at least in the base form, will come with a 0.5-inch display that supports 1280 by 960 resolution. Sounds promising, but it does get better. Ming-Chi Kuo sheds further hints on the glasses being marketed as an iPhone accessory and can be used as a backup display for your PC or phone, courtesy of an optical see-through AR experience. Apart from being futuristic from the get-go, the glasses, when used as an iPhone accessory, will retain their compact size and shape. For comparison, John Prosser stated that the glasses will look a lot like the traditional Wayfarer sunglasses from Ray-Ban, and honestly, we did not expect anything less hipster from Apple. There's also talks of a limited edition Steve Jobs heritage version of the glasses that pay homage to the late technological prodigy by appearing as round frameless glasses that Steve Jobs himself used to prefer. Now, wouldn't it be funny and iconic if the day of the grand reveal, Tim Cook announces that he's been wearing a prototype version of the Apple glasses all along and was waiting for an official announcement? Heck, anything's possible. Other than that, while for obvious reasons we can't pinpoint a release date, we can say it's expected to arrive after the VR headset, so we can pretty safely assume 2023 or even 2024 to be the earliest possible target date. We'll be back again with more updates on the Apple glasses as soon as we hit something new. In the meantime, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.